Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Razak the Tech Guy. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install the C++ software in your laptop or PC. Let's go to it. I'll give the download link in my descriptions. So you just go and click on that link. So after clicking on that link, you will find this web page Turbo C++. Here, click on the free download button. So then it will take you to another web page. Here, you click on the start download. So after some time in the left side you will see a downloading file. Downloading exe file. Its size is 2.6 MB, so you no need to worry about that. It will take a full storage, so you no need to worry about it. So after downloading, you just click on open. Then allow the app. Now click on the next. Then tick mark it. Then again next. Then install. See here, it will ask you where to install this software, the location. So it's your wish. Click on install. After clicking on that install, automatically the C++ software is installed successfully. So finish. Once you click on the finish, automatically the C++ software is installed in your laptop or PC. So this type of text will appear. You no need to worry about this. Just close this one. After that, you click on that icon Turbo C++. Double click on it. Open it. Wait until it opens properly. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Wait until it opens properly. Okay, wait for some time. It takes a time to open. It depends upon your system processability. So again, double click on it. See now the C++ is processing. Yeah, we got a C++ software in our PC or laptop. So in C++ you can do both C programs as well as C++ programs, because in C you can use only keyboard, but the main advantage is in C++ you can use both keyboard and the mouse. So it will be very easy, right? So in this you can easily run and compile and execute the programs. So to go to the new page, you just click on the new. So here you will find a blank one. Here you can type the program, run, compile. You can do whatever you want. Then if you want to exit, so click on quit alt X. Actually alt X is a shortcut key to quit from the C++. So click on it. So guys, like this we can easily install the C++ software in our laptop or PC. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe and share my video and hit the notification icon so that you will be get notified by my upcoming videos. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.